Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a haven of culinary innovation? Look no further than the Breville Smart Oven Air BOV900BSS, a true masterpiece designed for the cooking enthusiast who seeks extraordinary versatility and precision. Elevate your culinary endeavors with 13 smart cooking functions, including the marvels of air frying and dehydrating. This countertop marvel, equipped with Element X system and super convection technology, is your key to succulent roasts, crispy delights, and healthy dehydrated treats. Let's delve into the symphony of features that redefine what it means to cook with finesse. Here are the key features of Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro Brushed Stainless Steel. Versatility redefined. 13 cooking functions await. The Breville Smart Oven Air BOV900BSS is not merely an oven, it's a culinary symphony at your fingertips. With a remarkable array of 13 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate, the possibilities are as endless as your culinary imagination. Whether you're toasting the perfect bagel or crafting a delectable slow-cooked masterpiece, this oven transforms your kitchen into a culinary playground. Element X system, precision perfected. Say hello to the art of precision cooking with the Element X system. Crafted with 6 independent quartz elements, this intelligent system employs smart algorithms to channel power precisely where and when it's needed. The result, an impeccable cooking environment that eliminates cold spots and ensures even, consistent culinary perfection. Bid adieu to the uncertainty of uneven cooking. Element X system is your guide to culinary precision. Air fry and dehydrate, crispy delights and healthy indulgence. Indulge your senses with the enchantment of air frying and dehydrating. Picture golden, crispy French fries achieved with higher temperatures and super convection technology. Maximized airflow that ensures irresistible crunchiness. But it doesn't stop there. Venture into the realm of dehydrating, preserving the natural goodness of your favorite foods. With the ability to dehydrate up to 4 trays of wholesome treats simultaneously, the Breville Smart Oven Air invites you to embark on a journey of healthy indulgence. Super convection technology, the secret behind the magic. Prepare to be amazed by the enchantment of super convection technology. With a dual-speed convection fan, this technology grants you greater control over your culinary creations. Experience a symphony of hot air that envelops your dishes, ensuring fast and even heat distribution. A symphony perfect for air frying, dehydrating, and roasting. Say goodbye to culinary guesswork and hello to consistent, mouth-watering results. Extra large capacity, cooking without limits. Step into a world of culinary freedom with the Breville Smart Oven Air's extra large capacity. This countertop marvel boasts an interior misu ring, a spacious 21.5 by 17.1 by 12.7 inches. Imagine the possibilities: a 14-pound turkey, 9 slices of bread, air-fried French fries, and even slow cooking with a 5-quart Dutch oven. Embrace your creativity with the freedom to explore dishes that go beyond the ordinary. High-contrast LCD display. Command with confidence. Empower your culinary journey with the high-contrast LCD display, a command center that puts the power of smart functionality at your fingertips. Seamlessly access cooking functions, adjust temperatures, and set timers with confidence. The display also serves as your guide, signaling the completion of preheating and initiating countdowns for perfect culinary masterpieces. Craftsmanship and warranty, a symphony of excellence. The Breville Smart Oven Air BOV900BSS is not just a culinary marvel, it's a testament to craftsmanship. With a durable construction and a 2-year limited product warranty, this oven stands as a symbol of enduring quality. With a power of 1800 watts and voltage ranging from 110 to 120 volts, it's a powerhouse waiting to bring your culinary visions to life. Embrace the symphony of culinary excellence. The Breville Smart Oven Air BOV900BSS is more than an oven, it's an orchestra of culinary innovation. Elevate your cooking to new heights, explore the wonders of precision cooking, and indulge in the art of air frying and dehydrating. With every feature meticulously crafted to inspire and empower, this oven invites you to compose culinary masterpieces that dance on your taste buds and leave an indelible mark on your heart.